Hi friends, good afternoon. Today it is 7/12/2025. The time is roughly around 10:30. Last week we made a detailed video about BTC USDT, and this is a continuation video and what we predicted last time and how it is working now, and what is the future prospects of Bitcoin. And many people ask me about gold and silver. I'll try to make a separate video for that. So this one will talk about BTC USDT, and those who are not watched my previous video, kindly go and watch that video. Then only you will understand what I'm going to talk about now. So now let's go to the chart. Okay, now let's start from the book date. So last time we clearly mentioned in the video that 23rd is the very important date for crypto, and where it has to make a low. And based on the previous thing, we clearly said on this date it has to make a high. So if you go to my Telegram channel, so this is BTC USDT. We gave this dates on January 6th. In that we said 11th November it will make a high, and 23rd November it will make a low. Okay. So if you come to the chart, so this is based on the book date. I already explained how the book date works. Based on that candle high and low, bare minimum 5%. It will give on the downside if it breaks the candle low, and 5%. If it breaks the high. For example, the recent candle was this candle, where it has to make a low. So now from here, if you take this candle closed above and it gave a retracement here. So from here, it should give 5% move. For example, if you take the price range, it has given 7.5% move. So mostly only when the inversion happens, it will double the percentage. For example, if it is an inversion, it gives 10% rather than 5%. All these chapters I explained in my previous video. Kindly go back and watch it. So now, based on the time cycle, till it holds this candle low, we'll be coming out with a book for BTC USDT for all the indices, our F&O stocks, all the commodities, forex, and we'll be releasing the book on 27th of December. So the next date, because this is the last date, 23rd November will be the last date for this year. The next book will contain, it starts from 23rd November and it gives the future dates for the entire 2026. In case if you are interested, you can buy that book. So this is how the book date works. So as of now, till it is not going to close below this recent low, you don't need to worry about BTC USDT. Now let's go to the recent 1 hour price time square candle. Last time the price time square candle came here. So now based on this, you can trade for, this is a complete trading, the 1 hour, daily, weekly, monthly, all investment perspective, and the price time square candle, which is the 1 hour time frame. This is for trading. Okay, bare minimum, since it is a BTC USDT, you can try for 5,000 points more. So for example, last time we gave this candle, and this candle was clearly told on the last video. So now a candle closed above, it gave a retracement. The stop loss is the recent low. Below this candle, the recent low. This is the stop loss, and none of the candle closed below. See, it has to close below for the stop loss. Touch and go, not at all accepted. Touch and go, not at all accepted. So it came down all the way here. Again, it went up. Then you can aim for 5,000 points move. For example, from here it went to this high. So now if you take from this area, it has given roughly around 6,500 points or 5,500 points. Now again, we got the next candle. So this was the next candle. So again, you can trade for 5,000 points. So now from here, if you take this, somewhere here, this is 5,000 points. So more or less, it came very near to that. So you can, enjoy that 5,000 point profit once it touches this. See, all these details we are giving in our, Telegram channel. So if you go here, the price time square candle, this was a recent candle, which was, 12, 4, 10:30 to 11:30 candle. We already gave this on in our, Telegram channel, and we marked that high and low of the candle. So at that point of time, it was here. So now if you go to the recent chart and it came down all the way somewhere near. So this is 5,000 points. You can trade based on the price time 1 hour candle. Now let's go to normal technical analysis. Now as of now, it is exactly closed at the 20 SMA, and now the possible is next is somewhere here it is 99,000. But I don't go with SMA and EMA. Now let's go little deep into it. Now this is what we covered last time. So we clearly said this is a support area, and it is where it is doing a lot of zigzag. Why it is doing zigzag, I will show you. So now as of now, till it holds this red color line on a weekly closing basis, nothing to worry about it. Maybe after crossing this red color line, we are heading towards this red color line, or predominantly to this green color line. This is based on the pitchfork. And if you go to Ichimoku, this is what the beauty of consolidation. See, whenever a stock is inside the cloud, this is indecisiveness. It means the stock will not move anywhere unless and until it breaks and closes above here, or it breaks and closes below here. It will do only consolidation. So what happened last time? It came exactly, took the support at the Senku B or Cloud B, whatever you call. So from here, where it got rejected, exactly on the top of the cloud. So now it is trading within the Senku A and Senku B. So it is going to be a clear-cut indecisiveness, and it will be try to going that. And whenever the cloud is going to expand, you will see more and more volatility within this. But predominantly, if you see, it says after 22nd December week, maybe the last week of December, possibility of a little bit upper move. Based on Ichimoku, it says little bit of upper move is possible after the last week of December. That is 22nd to 27th. After that, possibility of a little bit up move based on this. But till that time, it should not close below the cloud. That is the condition. It should not close below the cloud. If it closes below the cloud, then whatever we are talking now, the consolidation, everything will go for a toss. Now, if you see, the pattern is evolving here. If this holds, the bottom is done. Very small stop loss in a weekly. Very small stop loss, but till now the pattern is not evolved. But the pattern evolved in monthly, and the pattern evolved in 1 hour, candle, all that it happened. But in weekly, because this is investment, so we need a pattern to be, evolved here. Once the pattern is evolved here, so I think we can take a bigger bet on this, Bitcoin. And based on this POB, we already talked about what are the targets once it crosses this. And once it closed below, what are the targets on the downside? We already talked about in our last video. Okay, so this is what BTC USD for trading purpose. You can use this 1 hour candle high and low. Anyway, every week I'm posting. This week also I posted when the time is going to happen. And as of now, this is the 1 hour price time candle as of now. Maybe next week it may give another also, or it may not give also. Okay. So you can use this for trading, and for investment purpose, we already talked about where to enter and all that in my previous video. So kindly go and watch it. Okay. So that's all. Nothing more to add in this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. So kindly do your homework, consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. And we are going to create a, this was a lot of requests that we need to create a separate channel for, in YouTube as well as in Telegram, only for the Forex market. So we'll be opening a separate group for Forex. In case if you are interested, you can join our group, as well as there will be a separate YouTube channel for Forex market. So now all the updates, whatever I am posting in the normal our Telegram channel, it will be regarding Forex market. It will be posted only in the channel. In case if you are interested, you can join that. And again, saying we are not at all all this research which we are putting, it is purely for the education purpose. So please do your due diligence before taking any entry, even for the investment or even for trading. Strictly follow your stop loss. So all these are must. So we are giving you our view. If it works, thank God. Otherwise, our stop loss is the only one which is going to save our capital. So please follow your stop loss. Please follow your system. It doesn't mean that only time cycle will do wonders in stock market. Even the simplest of the simplest SMA will do wonders. So stay with your system. The system will deliver you humongous return, but you need to follow it with discipline. So that is what even in my Telegram channel today, you put one stock, one system. If you trade for continuous 5 years, it will deliver you humongous return. For that, you don't need a sophisticated, technical analysis. Simple SMA will do the wonders. So follow it, and I'll try whenever I have time, I'll try to post my videos in Forex market. And the 2 videos are pending. One is gold and, silver. I'll try to cover that in my next video. Thanks you. Bye.